Good day, guys! Today we are going to talk about computer systems, its classification, its capabilities, its limitations, the advantages, as well as the disadvantages. So I want you to keep watching and enjoy. Computer system has the ability to receive user input, the ability to process a data, to create information for storage and output. There are 5 basic elements of computer: hardware, software, user, data, procedures. These are the parts of computer system that we can see and touch on that computer part. Such parts are called hardware. The other one is software. It is a set of programs which we cannot touch, and it is combined to form a single software in which the user interacts with the computer system with the help of this software. The third one is the users. The person who uses the computer is called the users. Basically, the computer is used by a human, not a robot. Therefore, the user is also an important element of the computer because without the user, the computer cannot do anything. Although computers can be used by people of any age at any time and anywhere, but basically 2 types of people use computers more: professional people and unprofessional people. Professional people are those people who use computers for their professional work, while the unprofessional people are those people who uses computers for their personal work. The fourth one is data. Data is also an important element of a computer system because the entire computer system is based on data itself. Data is used everywhere on the computers. Just like a car cannot run without a petrol, in the same way, a computer cannot run without a data. Like for an example, whatever you input in the computer, it would be input into the computer in the form of data, and whatever computer output gives you, it is also in the form of data itself. Whatever is stored in your computer is data like audio, video, text, image, and the last one is procedures. Procedures are also an element of a computer that tracks the procedures for the working of the computer. Like for an example, when the user gave instructions to the computer, whether the computer hardware and software are working or not, the procedures will still going on. Now let's move on to classification of computers. First we have is supercomputer. A supercomputer is an extremely fast computer which can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. The second one is mainframe computer. A mainframe computer is a multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users. But this software technology is different from mini computer. The third one is mini computer. A mini computer is a multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users. The last one is microcomputer or personal computer or microcomputers. It is a single-user computer system having a moderately powerful microprocessor, which is termed as a computer that is equipped microprocessors as its CPU. Alright, thank you guys for staying and keep on watching because today, from this moment, we are going to talk about the capabilities and limitations as well as the advantages and disadvantages of the computer system. Are you still with me? Let's go! Now let's move to the capabilities of the computer system. There are 4 categories. First is, it is a self-directing, meaning the user merely feeds all the instructions to the computer at the start and later proceeds without any need for human intervention. So the second one is the ability to store and retrieve information, meaning the computer has the ability to remember or recall data when finds the need for them. So the third one is the ability to perform mathematical operations and solve complex formula at high speed and with great precision. Meaning, is a very fast computer can perform the addition of 20 million pairs of 10-digit numbers in 1 second. The last one is the ability to perform logic operations, meaning the computer is capable of comparing numbers, letters of alphabets, and the special characters. Based on the results of comparison, the computer can direct to take alternative actions. So those are the capabilities of the computer systems. Now let's move forward to the limitations of the computer systems. Alright, limitations of computer systems. Number 1, it can do only what is designed or programmed to do. If you ask the computer to get the total payroll for a certain period, it will give you only the total payroll and not the net salary of gross salary of each employee. So the second one is it cannot correct input data. If you mistakenly entered an hour rate of 50 peso per hour, the computer cannot respond to the actual rate of 40 pesos per hour. So the third one is it cannot think and cannot derive meanings from object. Meaning the computer cannot interpret your favorite poem or your present mood. So basically computers cannot derive meanings from objects. So the fourth one is it can only process jobs expressed in number of steps leading to a precisely defined goal. What does it mean? It means the computer only processes the job which is being precisely defined. So the number 5 is it cannot completely avoid making errors due to power fluctuations, system malfunctions, and human disorders. So these are the limitations of a computer system. Now let's move forward to the advantages and disadvantages of computer system. So the advantages of computer is it has a high speed. Second is accuracy. Third one is automation. The fourth one is storage capability. The fifth one is, of course, communication. Sixth is diligence, reliability, versatility, and the last one is low-cost paperwork. Now let's move forward to the disadvantages of computer system. We have here a lack of intelligence. The second one is it is really dependent on humans. The third one is no emotions, of course. The fourth one is electricity dependent. The fifth one is it is in need to update and upgrade. The sixth one is cybersecurity problems. That's all. Alright, thank you guys for staying with me, and we are done with the computer system, and I hope you guys learned something today.